This is my lab band video reflection 3. I liked at this point I was giving the band something to do while I worked with another section.
No, just in the key of G major.
I think here I could have spoken up more. I was a little bit talking under my breath.
Well, perhaps in the limits, I'd like to hear you at measure 17. Actually, I will take low brass, low liquids, corn, and traffic there. So at measure 17.
I think I could have asked for a cleaner start there, just to solidify it.
So now I'd like you to play your first note and really the body of the tone. Just make sure that the sound is clear.
I think here I could have named more characteristics of what a full tone is. I think I just said full tone, and I could have stated like what makes a full tone and how you produce it. I think facing each other here wasn't super feasible, especially for Brittany.
You got it. Sorry.
I think I could have been more insistent. I definitely have gotten that last note out of him with a little bit more practice. Yeah.
That sounds a lot better. So now, bringing back in everyone,
I think rather than saying that sounds a lot better, I could have said a specific characteristic about that time, like you really had a full tone that time. Therefore, like solidifying that the instruction that I gave, they did.
Listen to my directions because I'm going to ask you.
I think from the beginning I could have been more specific about the fact that I wanted concert notes. That probably confused a couple of people.
Half set. He must have been. Song used to say. Don used to say.
So this activity didn't work as well as I would have liked, and I think one way to prevent it being um, unsuccessful is I could have demonstrated it with a couple of individuals at first. For example, like I could have picked like four people who were particularly strong in their instruments, and then demonstrate the concept, and then put it with the whole band. That way, they would better understand what was happening.
Really makes you listen to your parts of the work. I could do this for a long time, but I just want to success that what you're doing practice. So can you start from there and the rest of starting from what you said.
I think this throughout this process, I could have told the flutes to play it down the octave. This was just wasn't super accessible for them at this time. Like playing that with a nice tone and being balanced.
Really great. Did you hear the difference in that? There's a lot of improvements. So I want to go from the beginning and just from the beginning. I say in this last run through of it that pay attention to
I think I could have set a clear tempo before we started, just to get everyone on the same page. I also could have incorporated more left hand throughout this experience. And I'm glad I complimented them at the end. And that's the end.